So there you are, reviewing the footage after a client shoot, and halfway through you realize the exposure changed. What can we do to stop that? So if you find yourself in a situation where the exposure is changing frequently and you don't want that to happen, and that can often happen when flying orbits and things like that, there's a way to fix that. So what we'll do is, in the top right hand corner, touch the three dots and select the camera tab. And then what you'll see is at the bottom you have this option that says AE lock toggle. Turn that on. When you go back to the main view, you'll see down in the bottom right hand corner you'll have a little AE in a padlock. And what you can do is you can touch that and it'll turn yellow, and that means the exposure is now locked. And that means it will not change even if it finds itself under or overexposed. That exposure is going to stay the same and constant. It does mean a problem if you find that you're panning around and it suddenly gets very dark. You're going to have to watch that, and the way you would fix that is you would unlock it and then lock it again. And by doing that, what you can do is you can make sure that the exposure stays consistent throughout a shot. You make sure that you'll get exactly the shot you need, and then just, you can choose where to allow the exposure to change if you're allowing the exposure to change. This is an alternative and a faster way to handle keeping the exposure the same without going into the manual settings and making sure that everything is set to manual. This doesn't only work in Dronelink. The auto exposure lock exists in a number of different applications. So you just need to find out how that works for each of the applications you might be trying out. Anyway, I hope you found that useful. As always, I love to receive your comments, so feel free to let me know your thoughts. And if you like what you see, subscribe to the channel to make sure you don't miss any future episodes. Bye-bye.